loved you from the start. Me, I know you, loved you from the start. Me, I know you, loved you from the start. Me, I know you, loved you from the start. Roses are red, violets are blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you.
Today's hair sponsor is Labhairs. They sent me this 22-inch frontal wig. This is in their HD invisible lace, and she is definitely giving HD. She's also pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so all the hard work is done for us. This is a total 100% glueless install. We are not secured anywhere, you guys.
I'm into you, suppose it's a red, violets are blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm into you. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I know you, loved you from the start. 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 Roses are red, violets are blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm into you, suppose it's a red, violets are blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm into you, suppose it's a red, violets are blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm into you, suppose it's a red, violets are blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm into you. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I know you, loved you from the start. I know you, loved you from the start. I know you, loved you from the start. I know you, loved you from the start.
How nice that lace is laying. That is that crystal lace. Look at her, beautiful. Look at that. Look at the invisible factor of this lace, you guys. And that is why I wanted to do this install this way, so you guys can see that, yeah, she's definitely not secured, but oh my god, she is definitely giving like melted. Isn't that crazy? So guys, I also think that the lace on this unit is a very beautiful color lace. So we want to part it so you guys can actually see. So we can see the beautiful scalp and deep parting space on this unit, you guys. Look at this. Little tiny knots. It's not anything major. You don't have to bleach it. You could literally wear this wig every day like this and it wouldn't be a problem. So I would say the 22 inches, it's definitely stretched length 22. It's looking a little short to me. Oh, there goes my baby hair. It's gone with the wind, child. You know, I love me a good wet look. The water wave on this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. And just like that, she's transformed to like really defined curl with a deep middle part. This middle part, look how far that lace goes. Like that parting space, it's really deep parting space. It is 100% glueless. And of course, if you like secure it with some hairspray, it's gonna look even better, I'm sure. Okay, and that is with it melted down with some hairspray. Tell me if you guys can see that lace, because I definitely can't. Oh my god. I really like this lace. It's thin but strong, and it definitely is HD. It blended with no effort, you guys. Like, this part is still glueless, but this part here where it's secured, you cannot see lace. I think this is definitely an everyday frontal wig. So for that reason, I'm gonna say this wig is Kaviar Kez approved. You guys should definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to Labhairs in the description box so you guys can pick up one of these beauties. Like, perfect glueless wig. I love it. So comfortable, fits so well. And you guys, I really like this wig. I think you guys should check it out. I definitely recommend. 2 thumbs up. I really do appreciate it if you made it this far into the video. It really does mean a lot. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.